Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting a 2-car garage in Wesley Chapel. So in this garage we are going to do baseboards as well. So we already discussed it with the homeowner. We're not going to do baseboards along here. There was some rotten wood along here, so it would be better that they just come back and replace the wood. But we are going to pick up with baseboards everywhere else. So this is a relatively straightforward job. We're going to fill the expansion joints. Then once we get this ground, we'll see if there's any other cracks besides this one here, which is a half decent crack. So all set up to start prepping. Let's get started. Okay, we just finished up our 2-car project up in the Villages of Wesley Chapel. This is a 2-car garage with baseboards. We filled the expansion joints. Did some crack repair, did some repairs along the edges. This is a full chip job with a polyaspartic top coat. And this color is California Gray. So we rounded over, ground and finished the lead edge. Looks good. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.